Okay, this is finally happening. I've been trying to find some rear axle bearings for this thing before I put it back together. The other motor, the kickstart, locked up. I'm not really sure, what did it. Maybe the one-way bearing. I pulled it apart and I couldn't see exactly what it was. The motor will roll over in gear, but it won't roll over with the kickstart. And once it gets about one or two rolls in, it wants to disengage that gear, like first gear, say you want to, or second, it might get 2 or 3 piston rotations and then it stops, throws back out. I'm sure they probably all do that. So I wasn't able to jump start it with the bad kickstart. So I'm just gonna take this donor motor I have off of, I believe to be an 86 TRX 250, and it's gonna go in this. It's a good running motor. The frame was trash. I pulled this motor off. The carburetor is trash. I need another one, but it'll fire up. It's all plugged in with the harness and everything. I'm gonna use the harness that's on here though. I'm going from square to round plug, or vice versa. I'm not 100% sure, but the wiring harness is there, so there's no need for this thing. But if it doesn't run with the original wiring harness for this particular frame, then I will have to strip it off of there and put the one for the TRX on. Let's see. Well, it's that funny style, but CDI. But yeah, the plastics aren't in the best shape. It's just gonna be solely a motor. Put it through the ringer. See what it can do. Probably let my wife drive this one so she can keep up with the rest of us. The detachable headlight's still there. Front rack's not, beat the heckin' back. The front fender's in great shape. No cracks. Seat's actually in good shape. It's dirty. Has the rear trunk lid bar and lid still intact. It's not cracked up, nor is this broke. The thing actually still works. So, yep. This is the next thing on the list, in between all the other projects I got going on. I like to rotate instead of just focusing on one particular thing. Yep. Thanks. Y'all keep enjoying the content. I'll keep putting it out.